Have you ever thought that simply adding a few plants to your home could change your financial future? It sounds incredible, but certain plants are believed to attract wealth and prosperity. Drawing on ancient Buddhist teachings, these 6 unique plants have been cherished for generations, not just for their beauty, but for their powerful energy. What if the right plant in the right spot could open doors to abundance in your life? The surprising benefits of these plants might just inspire you to take action today. Stay tuned to find out which plants can transform your space and your fortune. Before we move on, take a moment to comment this affirmation. I attract wealth and prosperity into my life. Let this powerful statement resonate with you. Drop it in the comments now to invite abundance into your space. In Buddhist philosophy, plants are deeply symbolic, representing life, growth, and harmony with nature. This spiritual tradition views plants not just as decorative elements, but as sources of energy that can influence the environment they are in. Many believe that certain plants can help cultivate positive energy, attract prosperity, and create balance in a space. Buddhism places great importance on the balance of energy, or qi, within a living environment. It's believed that surrounding yourself with the right plants can lead to an improved flow of qi, bringing wealth, peace, and spiritual well-being into your home. These plants are seen as physical manifestations of the qualities they represent, whether it's wealth, health, or tranquility, and are thought to enhance those aspects in the lives of those who tend to them. Certain plants, like the money tree or lucky bamboo, have become particularly significant in Buddhist teachings because of their symbolic connection to abundance and prosperity. Their inclusion in homes or gardens is believed to harmonize energies and invite good fortune. Similarly, plants like the lotus are revered for their association with spiritual growth and purity, making them powerful symbols in both personal and environmental transformation. This understanding of plants extends beyond their physical beauty or practical use. It involves a spiritual dimension, where plants contribute to the flow of positive energy and the overall well-being of the household. By nurturing these plants, one is believed to not only care for their physical surroundings, but also to cultivate a deeper connection with nature, resulting in a more prosperous and peaceful life. Through this lens, plants become more than just decor. They act as conduits for attracting wealth and spiritual harmony into daily life. 1. The money tree, scientifically known as Pachira aquatica, is one of the most popular plants associated with wealth and prosperity. It originates from Central and South America, where it has been traditionally valued for its resilience and ability to thrive even in challenging conditions. Over time, the money tree has come to symbolize financial abundance and success, making it a favored choice for those looking to improve the energy flow in their homes or workspaces. In Buddhist and Feng Shui practices, the money tree is considered a powerful plant for attracting wealth. Its braided trunk is said to lock in prosperity, while its lush green leaves represent the steady growth of fortune. Many believe that placing a money tree in the wealth corner of your home, typically the southeast area, can enhance the positive energy related to finances and bring about better financial opportunities. The money tree is also easy to care for, which adds to its appeal. It thrives in moderate indoor conditions with indirect sunlight and regular watering, making it a low-maintenance addition to any space. However, it's important not to overwater the plant, as it prefers slightly dry soil. Proper care allows the plant to grow well, which symbolically reflects the steady and healthy growth of wealth and prosperity in one's life. This plant's symbolism, combined with its aesthetic appeal and ease of care, makes it a practical and meaningful choice for those looking to align their home with positive energy. Whether kept in the home or office, the money tree serves as a reminder of the potential for growth and success, rooted in both traditional beliefs and its ability to bring a touch of nature indoors. 2. Lucky bamboo, scientifically known as Dracana sanderiana, is a well-known symbol of good fortune and prosperity, particularly in Feng Shui. Despite its name, lucky bamboo is not actually bamboo, but belongs to the Dracaena family. It has gained popularity worldwide for its striking appearance and association with positive energy. This plant is believed to bring luck, wealth, and harmony to homes and workplaces, making it a favored addition to interior spaces. One of the key reasons lucky bamboo is revered in Feng Shui is its connection to the 5 elements: wood, the plant itself; water, in which it is often grown; earth, represented by rocks placed in its container; fire, symbolized by a red ribbon tied around it; and metal, typically through a metal container or coin decoration. Together, these elements create balance and attract positive energy, promoting overall well-being and success in life. The number of stalks in a lucky bamboo arrangement also holds significance, with different numbers representing various types of luck. For instance, 2 stalks are said to bring love, 3 stalks signify happiness, and 5 or more stalks are linked to wealth. Lucky bamboo is prized for its low maintenance care requirements, making it an ideal plant for both beginners and experienced gardeners. It can thrive in water or soil, though it is most commonly grown in water. All it needs is indirect sunlight and regular changes of water to stay healthy. This minimal care, combined with its symbolic value, makes lucky bamboo a powerful plant for those looking to enhance their space with positive energy. Whether placed in a home or office, lucky bamboo is seen as a living symbol of resilience, flexibility, and the steady growth of luck and prosperity. Its elegant, structured form adds beauty to any room while simultaneously working to attract positive energy. 3. The jade plant, scientifically known as Crassula ovata, is a succulent that has long been associated with wealth and prosperity. Its thick, fleshy leaves resemble coins, which is why it's often referred to as the money plant in various cultures. The plant is not just valued for its appearance, but also for its symbolism of growth, stability, and financial luck. In Feng Shui and other spiritual practices, it is believed that the jade plant invites wealth, abundance, and good fortune into the home or business when placed in the right area. This plant is particularly favored in office spaces, storefronts, and homes because it is said to bring not just financial growth, but also a sense of groundedness and balance. The jade plant thrives in bright, indirect sunlight and requires minimal care, making it an ideal addition to any space without demanding much attention. Its slow, steady growth reflects the slow and steady accumulation of wealth and success, which aligns perfectly with the plant's symbolism. To enhance its positive energy, it's recommended to place the jade plant near the entrance of a home or office, as this location is thought to welcome prosperity. Its placement near cash registers or workspaces can also symbolize the steady flow of income and financial gains. Another reason the jade plant is considered auspicious is its longevity. With the right care, it can thrive for years, and in some cases, it has been passed down through generations as a family heirloom. This long lifespan represents enduring wealth and prosperity, making the jade plant a meaningful addition to spaces where people want to encourage positive energy, growth, and long-term success. 4. The peace lily, known botanically as spathiphyllum, is a popular indoor plant admired not only for its graceful appearance, but also for its symbolic meaning of peace, purity, and prosperity. With its dark green leaves and elegant white flowers, the peace lily is believed to bring a sense of tranquility and balance to any space. In spiritual practices like Buddhism and Feng Shui, the plant is regarded as a purifier of negative energy, making it a powerful tool for promoting harmony and peace within the home. One of the most significant aspects of the peace lily is its air-purifying properties. According to NASA's Clean Air study, peace lilies are highly effective at removing harmful toxins from the air, such as formaldehyde and benzene. This not only improves the physical environment, but also creates a space that fosters mental clarity and emotional well-being. By cleansing the air, the peace lily enhances the overall energy of the room, making it a healthier and more positive place to live or work. In Feng Shui, the peace lily is often placed in areas where conflict or tension may arise, such as bedrooms, living rooms, or offices, to promote peaceful energy and balance. Its ability to thrive in low light and require minimal watering makes it an easy care plant, perfect for creating a serene atmosphere with little effort. The white blooms of the peace lily are often seen as symbols of purity and renewal, representing the removal of negative influences and the welcoming of fresh, positive energy. This makes the peace lily an ideal plant for those seeking to cultivate an environment of calm and prosperity. Whether used to clear the air or enhance the energy flow in a room, the peace lily serves as a reminder of the importance of peace and balance in both our physical and spiritual lives. 5. Basil, scientifically known as Ocimum basilicum, is a revered herb in many cultures for its association with prosperity, protection, and spiritual well-being. In Buddhist and Hindu traditions, basil holds a special place due to its symbolic connection to wealth and purity. Unlike many plants known for their decorative or aesthetic qualities, basil is appreciated for both its culinary and spiritual benefits. The plant is often grown in households, not just for its fragrant leaves, but for its ability to attract positive energy and ward off negative influences. In spiritual practices, basil is believed to have protective properties that shield the home from evil spirits and negative forces. It is thought to purify the surroundings, bringing peace and balance to the household. Placing basil near entrances or windows is said to keep unwanted energy at bay, while inviting wealth and harmony into the space. For many, the presence of basil in the home represents a commitment to spiritual well-being and the cultivation of a positive environment. Additionally, basil is known for its medicinal properties. It has been used for centuries in various cultures to treat ailments, reduce stress, and boost overall health. This multifaceted plant promotes well-being not only through its spiritual symbolism, but also by contributing to the health and vitality of those who care for it. In terms of care, basil requires plenty of sunlight and well-drained soil to thrive. Regular pruning helps the plant grow fuller, ensuring a steady supply of fresh leaves. Its vibrant green color and aromatic scent further enhance its reputation as a plant that brings vibrancy and positive energy to a space. For those looking to add an element of spiritual and physical wellness to their homes, basil offers a unique combination of health, protection, and prosperity, making it a powerful addition to any household. 6. The lotus flower, known scientifically as Nelumbo nucifera, holds deep spiritual significance in many cultures, particularly in Buddhism, where it is a symbol of purity, enlightenment, and spiritual growth. The lotus is unique because it grows in muddy waters, yet blooms with pristine, untainted beauty. This characteristic makes it a powerful metaphor for rising above challenges and achieving spiritual awakening despite life's difficulties. In Buddhist teachings, the lotus flower is closely tied to the path of enlightenment. Just as the lotus rises through the murky water toward the sunlight, individuals are encouraged to rise above worldly attachments and impurities to reach spiritual clarity. Each stage of the lotus bloom represents a different phase of spiritual growth, from the seed buried in mud to the fully opened flower. Thus, keeping a lotus plant in one's home or garden is seen as a reminder to nurture inner peace, spiritual resilience, and the pursuit of higher consciousness. The lotus is often associated with prosperity as well. Its beauty and rarity make it a symbol of abundance and success, especially when placed in a water feature, such as a pond or small indoor fountain. In Feng Shui, water represents wealth, and a blooming lotus in water symbolizes the flow of abundance into one's life. The lotus's ability to thrive in harsh environments further reinforces the idea of prosperity that can flourish even in adversity. Caring for a lotus plant can be more demanding than other household plants, as it requires a water-based environment and ample sunlight. However, the effort is seen as part of the spiritual practice. Attending to the plant reflects one's commitment to personal growth and well-being. For those seeking a deeper spiritual connection and a symbol of prosperity, the lotus is a profound and meaningful choice. As we've seen, adding these 6 plants to your home can create an environment filled with positive energy, attracting wealth and prosperity. Each plant carries its unique significance and power, helping you cultivate abundance in your life. By embracing these teachings, you can transform not just your space, but your mindset as well. Thank you for joining us today on Buddhism Bliss. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the wisdom of Buddhism. Before you go, let's affirm our intention. I am open to receiving abundance and prosperity. Comment that affirmation below to reinforce your commitment to attracting positive energy into your life. Together, we can create a community focused on growth and fulfillment.